And we are in front of an interesting Westfalia called Jules Verne. Jules Verne, well, it's pretty compact because it's just 5 meter one, and well, with the total base price was 92,380 for this exact model, but we'll get 2 sleeping places on the pop-up roof and pretty luxurious, comfy design inside with slide outs like that, with seating for 4 people, and also table with rotating and swivel, and well, standard Mercedes chassis. But when going on this side, actually understand how this looks like. You have an perfect Thetford cassette toilet with a true cassette right down here, and also you have a small shower here, so you can take a shower with the Truma boiler, and also you have the Basto heating. So, and truly complete camper, probably for just 2 people when you're sleeping. But let's go from this side so you can check actually how this sitting area looks, because you have the double door and also this additional storage space for all of your belongings. Well, let's rotate around and check also the space where you have, and you can store a lot of stuff, and also additional space for your gas bottle. Yes, because if we try to enter inside, you can check that you have a complete cooking situation here with deep cabinets all down there, and also an additional small cabinet here with the sleeping situation like that, with and well, the sound is not that promising. And on the other hand, additional storage unit with a fridge straight inside here, enclosed. And on the lower part, additional storage space for all your belongings. Well, looks like pretty nice. Campervan, the complete control units. Well, for 2 persons is extremely greatly designed. Well, going back from this side, well, you can for sure take a small shower inside this Jules Verne campervan.